Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Oyoyindoki's Kitchen. On today's recipe, I'll be making simple dinner with just 4 ingredients. So stay tuned to find out how we make this amazingly delicious dinner, and I do thank you for watching my video. So guys, for our delicious simple dinner, we'll be using chicken breast, barbecue sauce, onions, salt and black pepper. So the salt is going to balance down the sweetness from the barbecue sauce, and I wanted to stay tuned to find out how this amazing dinner turns out at the end of the day. I do thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, or if today is the first time you're coming in contact with Oyoyo's Kitchen, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to receive my videos whenever I post them. I do thank you guys. Alright, so we're going to start by cutting our onions. Alright, so guys, you can see our chicken breast is completely washed and dried. It's very ready. So all we need to just sprinkle a little salt on both sides. A little salt, and then we are going to repeat the same with our black pepper, just a little black pepper on both sides as well. All right, so this is looking good already, and the next thing will be our barbecue sauce. So we are going to get our barbecue sauce on the chicken. Make sure you coat nicely, and we'll be coating on both sides as well. We are going to now transfer into our baking. Just make sure you put enough. So guys, you can see our chicken breast is ready to go to the oven, and we'll be baking this for 35 to 40 minutes or until done. So guys, you know Oyoyo cannot just make dinner without some side, okay? So, and also some vegetable. So for our chicken dinner, I'll be making some sauteed spinach with some mushroom and onions, and the rest will be ginger and garlic paste and some seasoning. So you guys stay tuned to find out how Oyoyindoki blends this thing into a delicious sauteed spinach and mushroom. So we're going to start by cutting our mushroom, and I want to slice them very, very thin if I can. So I'm gonna cut the rest of the mushroom in same pattern. So don't forget to wash your mushroom before you cut them or before you use. And guys, in this summer, please do check my juice recipe. I made it quite a number of them, healthy drinks for summer, very refreshing and so rich and super healthy. That will help us to keep ourselves hydrated during the summer. And don't forget to go outside and get some sunshine. Sauteed spinach with some mushroom, we'll be doing that with cooking it with some butter. So I'm going to let this to dissolve, and this is half stick of butter. All right, so now we'll be adding our onions, and we are cooking this with unsalted butter. So we are going to allow the onions to saute for 2 minutes before we add our mushroom and the rest of the ingredients. All right, so now I'm going to be adding the garlic and ginger paste. I do have a recipe video for how you can make your homemade ginger and garlic paste, so do check it out. It's very simple and easy. So we're going to saute for 60 seconds. All right, so we're going to be adding the mushroom right now. There to combine. So we're gonna give it another minute for it to cook. All right, so now we are going to add some parsley leaves into the pot. We want to infuse the flavor of the parsley into our cooking and also our seasoning. And no salt seasoning as well. You stir nicely. We just want to get the mushroom to be super flavorful and very tasty. All right, so we're gonna add a little black pepper and a pinch of salt for taste. We're going to stir nicely to combine. Guys, the flavor from this pot is amazing. So now our spinach is going to come into the bowl. This is baby spinach. It doesn't really take time to cook, and I'm not gonna cut it because it's going to be sauteed. So we're going to cover the pot for the heat to get into the spinach before we stir. Infuse with some pasta. We do thank you for watching our video. This is very simple and very healthy. I tell you, it tastes so delicious. So give it a try. I'm still very juicy. You can see very, very, very easy to make and very delicious. So we're going to be pairing it with our chicken breast once it's done from the oven. This is a very simple dinner and very tasty. Your family will love it, trust me. All right, so guys, our chicken is fully baked. You can see looking good. We're going to plate it and enjoy our dinner. Simple recipe, just your chicken breast, barbecue sauce, very, very delicious. Try this recipe, simple ingredients, amazingly tasty. And I'm going to cut through. It smells so good as well. So guys, this is our final product. I tell you, simple dinner, very delicious. I'm lucky to still have this one left for me to do the final video because my family dived right into the recipe and the food was gone. I do thank you guys for watching my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give the host a thumbs up, and also leave me some nice comments. Please, please, please share my videos. Thank you guys. Oh my goodness, this is so divine. See, cooked to tender, very soft and juicy. I'm gonna have a bite. Amazingly delicious, guys. Thank you for watching my video today. Let me relax and enjoy my meal. Thank you guys. Do give this recipe a try and you will be amazed. Just 4 ingredients, you're out of the kitchen. Thank you.